With the release of OpenAI's ChatGPT and Chat Completion's API, there have been a flurry of new apps making full use of GPT's diverse capabilities. One term that has emerged in this context is a ChatGPT wrapper. You've probably seen it mentioned on Twitter, often in a disparaging way, but what does it actually mean? At its core, a ChatGPT wrapper is any application that provides a purpose-built user interface (UI) to interact with OpenAI's GPT models. Essentially, it's a more user-friendly layer between the core language learning model (LLM) technology and the user, hence a wrapper around the tech. While some may dismiss these as mere wrappers, there's a lot more to the story. ChatGPT wrappers take the burden off the user to navigate the complex task of figuring out how to use ChatGPT effectively. Instead, these wrappers create a structure that enables users to perform specific tasks more quickly and efficiently. Consider the alternative, the chat box interface of ChatGPT. While it's powerful, without a specific structure or guidance, it can be overwhelming for users. They read a couple of articles about tips for using ChatGPT at work. Try a couple, then think, this is how I use this ChatGPT tool. If the task isn't a direct one-shot answer from ChatGPT, few people are going to take the time to figure out systems and workflows that actually leverage LLMs in their day-to-day.